Meghalaya government will spend an amount of Rs 23 crores to host the upcoming 6-day Meghalaya Games in Tura. The game is slated to be held in Tura from 15th to 20th January 2024, and for the first time there will be 3 disciplines of indigenous games from the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo tribes. Sports Minister Shaklia Wardri informed that the government wants to ensure that the athletes are given the best facilities. He also assured a disruption-free event, saying everything is being taken care of.
Personally, I've visited 6 to 7 times to make sure that all athletes, their accommodation are being done, are being looked at. No, like I said, me myself personally, I've visited 6 to 7 times to make sure that all athletes, their accommodation are being done, are being looked at. And recently, we just had a review meeting. So everything is being done, everything is being prepared. So there's no need to worry about the accommodations. In terms of food, in terms of transportation, in terms of accommodation, and everything, we're doing 22 disciplines. So I don't think so it's that much. But we want to give our youth the best. That's why we're spending.
Confident with the recent poll victories of